If you are a professional carpenter or do woodwork as a hobby, a router lift is quite an essential tool that you must have in your garage. With that said, for those people who are looking for a new router lift, we have come up with the best options available in the market so you don't have to waste your time anywhere else. However, there are a few important things that you must check before buying a new router lift for yourself. Many products are available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of customer reviews, and compiled a list of the best router lifts from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Craig PRS 5000 Precision Router Lift. Woodworkers seeking a router lift suitable for their router tables, workbenches, or table saws may find interest in Craig's Precision Router Lift. This device boasts a 9 1/4 inch by 11 3/4 inch aluminum platform, tailored to fit most router tables and compatible attachments. With a weight of merely 10 pounds, it's effortlessly maneuverable for placement onto and removal from a workbench as needed. The Precision Lift offers several appealing attributes. Notably, it facilitates ball-bearing adjustments in 1/16-inch increments from above the table. Additionally, it features an above-table lock mechanism and includes multiple table insert collars catering to various bit sizes. Furthermore, it accommodates a range of router motors with diameters between 3 1/4 inches and 4 1/4 inches. Number 2. JESIM Must R Lift II-02120 Router Lift. For an exceptionally precise router lift, JESIM's Must R Lift II-02120 Router Lift stands out as a top choice. This lift boasts a 9 1/4 inch by 11 3/4 inch aluminum plate, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of tables. It incorporates JESIM's patented mechanism, which applies tension to the adjustment spindle to prevent backlash, minimize vibration, and prevent unintended height changes. The 02120 model features a universal attachment system that works seamlessly with most fixed-base router systems irrespective of brand or size. It also incorporates a system of double-sealed bearings, facilitating smooth height adjustments while ensuring durability. Even with heavy routers, users can easily make above-table adjustments and utilize the locking mechanism to maintain a consistent ideal height when working on custom millwork or joinery projects. Number 3. Incra Must R Lift IIR, designed for rockler tables. Woodworkers operating in production shops or similar settings can find value in utilizing Incra's Must R Lift IIR router lift. This ready-to-use kit incorporates an 8 1/4 inch by 11 3/4 inch aluminum work surface, fitting well into many compact router tables and offering adaptability for customized setups on smaller workbenches. With convenient above-table adjustments and a sturdy spindle lock, it enables users to effortlessly achieve and maintain the desired height for their projects. One particularly noteworthy feature of this router lift is Incra's collar system. It utilizes Incra's Magnalock collars, equipped with magnets for swift and secure attachment. This design facilitates rapid bit changes, enables adjustment for smaller bits, and ensures the collars remain firmly in place. Although compact, this unit has a weightier build, tipping the scales at 15 pounds. Number 4. Rockler Professional Router Lift with Insert Ring System. The Rockler Pro Router Lift streamlines your woodworking experience with effortless height adjustments using hex keys. This feature simplifies bit changes directly above the table, enhancing convenience and efficiency. Moreover, the insert rings require no tools, clicking securely into position for quick adjustments. This innovative router lift enables you to adjust the height 4 times faster compared to traditional methods involving tools or screws. Its anti-backlash locking system guarantees the router remains securely in place during operation, providing stability and precision. The comprehensive kit includes the Rockler Pro Router Lift, an aluminum router insert plate, and a ring with hex keys conveniently attached to a keychain for easy access and storage. Number 5. Bosch Router Lift Base RA1165 with above-table hex key. Bosch's innovative design features pre-drilled holes following both a 4-hole pattern and the widely used 3-hole mounting pattern, ensuring compatibility with various router setups. Additionally, its lift adapters enable the utilization of larger router bits, while the included clamp system facilitates motor mobility for effortless tool-free adjustments. Although some customers expressed challenges with achieving smooth height adjustments, many found this product significantly easier to operate, whether by hand or when mounted on a table. One satisfied customer remarked, "This router lift provides an affordable alternative compared to compatible routers typically priced at $200 or more." That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.